You might have clogged arteries, maybe also bad cholesterol or LDL. And what about hypertriglyceridemia? These arterial obstructions happen when, for example, fat, calcium, cholesterol, and other substances accumulate in the arteries. The worst part is that they block normal blood circulation, and this must be corrected immediately to avoid and prevent heart problems or issues in any other organ. In today's video, you're going to learn about the 6 most powerful medicinal plants to cleanse your clogged arteries. These plants have the power to lower fat levels in the blood if we consume them correctly. And today I'm going to explain how in this video. Today's video could change your life, so take a moment and tell me in the comments section from which country or region you're watching. And of course, if you like health content and natural medicine videos for the channel, don't forget to leave your like on this video. Well, friends, as always, and as you know, let's get started. Cleansing our arteries of fat and inflammation is easier than we think. These 6 plants are a powerful support to achieve this, along with watching and controlling your diet, and always following your doctor's advice. What is certain is that plants like these will lower fat levels in the blood, reduce cholesterol, prevent it from building up in our arteries, and help unblock all those arterial blockages. So let's begin. Take good notes on all of them, because in 6th place we have this plant, thyme. Thyme is an aromatic herb widely used in Mediterranean cuisine, and it has always been a part of traditional medicine for centuries. It contains many active compounds like thymol and carvacrol, as well as many vitamins, including vitamin C. But the most interesting part is that thyme and its components improve blood circulation, reduce inflammation in arteries and organs, and lower cholesterol levels in the blood. And how should we take it? Very simple. By drinking 1 cup a day. This is one of those plants I recommend taking in the morning on an empty stomach. You'll see how it becomes a powerful ally for cleansing your veins and arteries. In 5th place, we have one of the foods with the greatest anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Celery. Celery reduces high cholesterol. It is one of those plants that lowers bad cholesterol or LDL and triglycerides, and most importantly, it increases HDL or good cholesterol. Celery contains many phytochemicals, such as flavonoids and phytosterols, that act directly to unblock and clear our arteries. Besides using it in salads or dishes, you can make an infusion using celery seeds. Drink 1 cup a day on an empty stomach in the morning. It's a powerful medicinal remedy for your arterial health. In 4th place, we have this little plant right here. I'm talking about basil. Basil is one of the most used aromatic herbs in Mediterranean cuisine. Its active compounds, like eugenol and rosmarinic acid, make it a great ally for cardiovascular health and the circulatory system. It regulates blood sugar levels, fights hypertension, cleans our veins and arteries, and reduces cholesterol. To consume it, you can enjoy a basil infusion using either fresh or dried leaves. Ideally, drink 3 infusions per day, 1 after each main meal. Now let's move on to number 3, where we have Hawthorn. It's a shrub with small flowers and red berries that has been used in traditional medicine for centuries to treat heart problems. You can find it in herbal stores or natural medicine shops. Hawthorn has a feature that none of the other plants mentioned have. Its consumption directly prevents the formation of bad cholesterol plaques in our arteries, so it's the perfect aid to stop the problem from progressing. How should we take it? Very simple. Take 2 infusions of Hawthorn daily, 1 in the morning and 1 at night. Honestly, this infusion made with its flowers and dried leaves is one of the best options to clean our veins and arteries. Impressive. In 2nd place, and the silver medal goes to this plant that's well known by everyone, very aromatic, and I'm talking about rosemary. Thanks to its active compounds like rosmarinic acid and carnosol, rosemary becomes one of our best options for the health of our circulatory system. It reduces bad cholesterol and inflammation in our arteries and improves blood circulation. The best way to enjoy rosemary's benefits is through an infusion. And it's said that if we combine it with ginger and artichoke, the medicinal effects of rosemary are significantly enhanced, especially for relieving blood pressure and unblocking it. Ideally, drink rosemary infusion 3 times a day, 20 minutes before or after each main meal. The truth is, rosemary is always in our rankings, and it's a plant with wonderful properties. You have to try it. And in first place, we have the most powerful plant to relieve and unclog arteries. Artichoke. This vegetable is mainly consumed for its leaves and heart and is used in many recipes. But artichoke contains a component called cynarin, which is directly associated with healing and reducing cholesterol in the blood, and of course, removing all the fat from the circulatory system. It improves the body's overall lipid metabolism and is excellent for weight loss diets because it acts directly on fat and prevents the body from storing the fat we consume. To take it, the best option is to drink an infusion of artichoke leaves or use an artichoke extract in supplement form. As always, the infusion in the morning on an empty stomach ensures it works 100%. And now, head to the comments section and tell me which of these plants you already consume. Which of them do you use regularly? Because if you do, you already know that you're actively improving your circulatory system and keeping your health and cholesterol under control. If you've made it this far, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Rate this video from 1 to 10 in the comments and let us know what you think of the content. Your feedback is essential for us to keep bringing you useful and relevant information. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.